Hey, happy Friday, everybody, and 5 days from Christmas. We are on renovation video number 22, I believe, and a lot of pictures being shown and stuff of some of the finishing touches. We are getting down to some of the last stuff that needs to be completed. So, Jack and Jill bathroom completely done, showers running, stuff like that. Paint throughout the house, walls, trim, doors, baseboards, everything has been touched up. You're going to see the new ceiling fans and lighting we have added in the living room, dining room, LED spotlights over the new fireplace area that will be going in soon. Ceiling fans in all the bedrooms that didn't have lights before, overhead lights. So we are down to basically fireplace area, carpet on the stairs, bedrooms and stuff upstairs, and then the downstairs basement full bath. We still got the pergola and some of the concrete work to be completed outside, and possibly doing some other things depending on where we're at budget-wise at that point. So hope you enjoy the pictures. We'll be doing something probably next Friday. See what they do with the holiday here and stuff. It's going to be a busy couple weeks. If I don't hear from anybody, no comments or anything like that, I hope you have a Merry Christmas. Shay Hensley, 513-594-9218.